G3 Idris Abud Kareem.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Omenuko Emeka Moses of the Omenuko Lifestyle channel, and today is day 73 of the beans farming experiment and 20th of April 2025. We have 2 more days to go. So our beans have not produced, and as it seems, it looks as it looks today. I've been awaiting. It's English now. Wow. As we're looking at it today, it doesn't seem like it's going to produce. But we have somebody I buy vegetables from, and she's telling me that it will not produce. It will not produce. So let's just look at it anyways and see. Then I'll interview her. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenuko Emeka Moses, and I'm with your name?
Mary Ugu.
Okay, Mary Ugu.
Yes.
So this is a young woman who I normally buy ugu and water leaf from. She's been farming for a very long time. She has ugu farm, water leaf farm here, and she just asked me a question about these beans. She just asked me, do you think these beans will produce? That's what she just asked me. Do I think these beans will produce? And I said, well, the beans is remaining 3 days for it to, 2 days now for it to produce, for it to be ready, because it's 75 days being staked and it has not produced. I really don't think it's going to produce anymore. So she just told me that beans will not produce in dry season, and even though the rain have started falling, that it will not still produce. Yes, it will not still produce. So I want us to just give us some knowledge, and since she has experience in farming, so tell us what you know about beans and why it will not produce in dry season.
Like this beans, it don't need too much water.
It doesn't need too much water.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is why they plant it in August, so that the rain will not be too much.
Okay.
By the time that it germinated finish for September, you will not see too much rain again. Okay. Before you know it will start bringing flower and bring food for you.
So this one will not produce again because it doesn't produce in dry season.
I don't know why it will not produce in this dry season. Is because you are watering it every time.
Okay.
It does not need too much water.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, if we're not watering it every time, it will still produce.
It may be produced if you monitor it very well. That you follow the way that the rain follow on August. But like this, that you are watering it every week, or sometimes 4 days, it will not be more produced. Yes.
Okay, so she's saying that because we might be watering it more often, that's why it will not produce. That's why that's why it's been planted during August when there is no much water. Although we've said this before, and there are times when we did not water it every day, but still, it did not produce, But generally, I might be tempted or prompted to think that during dry season, during dry season, beans will not produce generally. It's just best to plant during that August when the rain is almost going.
Yes.
So anyways, that will be that one. I just wanted to introduce her, let her chip in 1 or 2.
Like now, if you remove this one, if you feel like, you can even plant watermelon or egusi on it.
Can they plant watermelon inside this?
Yes, you can plant watermelon. If you remove the seed, it dries, you can plant it. Before June, we started bringing.
Yeah. So okay, this is the time to plant watermelon, right?
Yes, the time to plant watermelon, egusi. Because then they don't need too much rain. Okay. As now, before you reach May, you see that the rain will be season small. We'll be looking for more rain. So
wow.
Egusi don't need too much water.
So the rain is just started. We're just entering the raining season, and it's not much yet. So she's saying this is the best time to plant watermelon and egusi. So let us try and see if we can do watermelon or egusi this period.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ain't producing shit. No flowers. It's not going to produce anything. You can see that the leaves are drying. Yes, that tells you that the beans is ready. Like I said, our 75 days theory is real. The leaves are drying up, telling you that the beans is already ready. So having said that, we just wait out the remaining 2 days and then we'll do away with this. We're already in the rainy season and it's time to start planting watermelon, egusi, melon seed, watermelon, and the rest, and the likes of it. So we probably are going to start doing that. Then also it's time to start farming yams, making heaps for your yams. So by next tomorrow I'm going to move into that, and
G3.
we'll see how it goes from there. Thank you.
Idris Abud Karim.